Infosys.
Okay, thank you, Prakash. We'll get chatting with you later on in the day as well. But SPML Infra is a stock which is on our radar. In fact, it's moved up nearly 7%. The company has won multiple orders totaling to 250 crore. Subhash Chand Sethi, the chairman of SPML Infra, joins in to talk about this 250 crore order win. Good morning and thanks so much for joining in. We know the total size, 250 crore. We know it will be executed in 18 to 24 months. If you could then tell us what the IRR or the internal rate of return that you expect on these orders, what are the margins and what does it take your order book to, sir?
Yeah, we have quoted with about 14 to 15% EBITDA on these orders.
Okay.
And these would be executed in 18 to 24 months and it's a decent margin, about 14 to 15% margin we are having in these jobs.
And the order book,
today,
sir?
the order book would be about, now it will stand at 4,000 crore plus.
All right, Mr. Sethi, what about, what is the order book pipeline looking at, if you could tell us that? And also, what's the opportunity you see from wastewater management? What's the total size of there? And from that particular, from that particular market or that particular order book, what kind of an order can you get from there?
You see, water management order also, there are quite a lot in pipeline. We have paid a substantial amount of bidding in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi, which are yet to be opened. We are yet, the L1 position is yet to be decided. But once it is opened, then, and these are quite sizable. We have bid for more than about 8 to 9,000 crore worth of bidding.
Okay, so 8 to 9,000 crore of bids for water, wastewater management. Let me come back to the point you made about order book. You said it's roughly 4,000 crore rupees post this win. When we spoke to you about 6 months ago, in the month of July, you had said the order book was about 600 crore. Should we be worried that, perhaps renewals are not coming in?
No, we didn't say 600 crore.
No, 6,000. It was higher at 6,000 crore when we last, in one of our previous interactions, if I'm not mistaken.
See, there is a lot of orders executed also in pipeline also.
But have the order wins slowed down, sir?
No, we got about 800 crore in January and this 250 crore now, which in these 2 months has become 1,000 crore approximately. Yeah.
All right. So your total order book is around 4,250 now.
Yeah.
All right, sir. We wanted to ask you, about the arbitration payments. Have they started flowing in? If you can give us an update on that front, what was the total amount that was outstanding?
We have about 260 crore plus outstanding on arbitration awards, which we have already received, and there are certain arbitration which are in the pipeline.
Correct. So that is around 500 crores, I believe.
Yeah, those are in pipeline.
All right.
But whatever we have received, we are in touch with the government and the files are moving. Hopefully, we should get a substantial amount in this year.
Okay. So 260 crore is approved. You're just waiting for the disbursement to take place.
That's correct.
Okay. Sir, how has the quarter been? You indicated that you've seen orders worth 1,000 crore in the Jan to March quarter. How has the execution been? What should be the kind of revenue growth margins we should expect from you? For the company, sir, on the consolidated basis.
Consolidated basis, okay. I will not be able to tell you the figure right now because we are still because there are so many things happening in next 25-30 days because March is the crucial period for execution.
Yeah.
But it will be 10 to 15% higher than the last year.
Oh, that's very good. Mr. Sethi, often we forget that when an infra company is winning orders, also their debt is going up, and that could be a bit of a worry going ahead. For example, I think your market cap currently is sub 250 crores. You have a good order book of more than 4,000 crores. But what about your working capital requirement? What about the debt in your books? If you could give us some clarity on that number, what's it gone to, and do you have any kind of plans to start paying off some part of your debt?
The debts are in a comfortable position. We have not taken much debt because we have not gone into many BOOT projects where the EPC companies have.
Correct. So what is it at?
The challenge in EPC companies have happened because of they've gone into the investment projects, which was a mistake on the part of EPC companies.
Right. So what is your current debt, sir? If you could give us that number.
It's about 800 crore rupees.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chand Sethi, once again for joining in, and all the very best. That's the word coming in from SPML Infra on the order win. Margins of 14 to 15%. Their order book is a little more than 4,000 crore rupees, and they won orders worth nearly 1,000 crore rupees in the first 2 months of this calendar year. For the market, it's pretty much where it is, 89.40, though GAIL, with scale to a fresh 52-week high in early trade, has slipped close to about 2.5% from the high point of the day. So that's a stock which is a bit subdued now as we speak. That doesn't seem to be the intraday chart. But anyway, we'll slip into a very short break on that note. UCO Bank is in focus after sources indicated to Cogensis that the bank is looking to auction